Professional, premium aftermarket replacement. Provides the performance and dependability you expect from ACDelco. Manufactured to meet expectations for fit, form, and function. ACDelco Professional Engine Oil Pressure Sender with Light is an ideal high-quality aftermarket replacement component for one or more of the following vehicle systems: cooling, HVAC, ignition, starting and charging, body electrical and lighting, wiper and washer, and/or engine fuel management. This premium aftermarket light is manufactured to meet or exceed your expectations for fit, form, and function. Top reviews from the United States. A stable classic. Well-made part. Works as intended, will likely last more than 20 years or more if it's like other senders. These senders are a little harder to break by accident than some of the other designs. The threads already having sealer is a nice touch.